Now let's see our roadmap for practical approach. So very first in this journey, we are gonna understand the OWASP top 10 attacks and vulnerabilities. So as I said earlier, these are the most common findable bug which you can find in any web application, and this is the standard for looking the web application security. So don't worry, we will go each bugs in details, so no need to worry now. Then after the OWASP top 10, we need to create a lab environment for practical purpose. See, the hacking is not legal in India. See, the hacking is illegal. Without taking permission of the owner of any web application, you cannot exploit the weakness of that particular web application. And considering the fact that you are absolute beginner, so I would suggest to start your web application pen testing or hacking journey from virtual environment. So what is virtual environment or lab environment setup? Nothing. It's just a separate virtual environment where you can practice those attacks and vulnerability without harming any software or any the system or any web application. So if you are not familiar, well, let's understand what do you mean by lab environment. See, this is your actual computer or your PC. Well, for practice, we will create another lab environment, or you can say another virtual PC or server, virtual machine within your PC, so that anything happens with inside this particular PC will not harm your main PC. I hope you understood. And here we will install DVWA for practical purpose for lab demonstration. Well, I hope you understood. Then we will see exploitation of each vulnerability. We will see how you can find out the vulnerability, how you can exploit the weakness of the web application. Then we will understand the actual problem, or the root cause, why this is actually happening, why this vulnerability is exploited, why this vulnerability is coming up. Then we will understand the mitigating strategies, how you can mitigate those vulnerabilities and what are the problems and what controls need to be considered while performing the mitigation strategies. Then after covering all the roadmap, finally we will see the next step, like where you should go, how you can start, what should be the next step for you after completing the basics course of web application security or OWASP top 10. Well, these are our roadmap, and I hope you like the module. Stay tuned. See you in the next video. Thank you and have a nice day.